How to fix Bluetooth audio not working in Poco X8 Pro. First of all, turn on or turn off Bluetooth. Open setting. Now in setting, scroll down, click on Bluetooth. Now here you will see Bluetooth button, and if you want to turn on Bluetooth, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, turn on Bluetooth from your phone. And if you want to turn off Bluetooth, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off Bluetooth from your phone. By this button you can turn on or turn off Bluetooth from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart device. Press and hold volume up and power button same time. Now here you will see two options, power off or reboot. And if you want to restart device, then this icon swipe down. After swipe down, restart your device. Now go back. After that, clear Bluetooth cache. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app. Click on three dots more option. Click on show system apps. Now search Bluetooth app. Now click on Bluetooth. Scroll down. Click on clear default. After click on clear default, Bluetooth will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset network setting. Again open setting. Scroll down. Click on more connectivity options. Scroll down. Click on reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth, and click on reset setting. After click on reset setting, Wi-Fi, mobile data, Bluetooth will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open setting. Now in setting, click on search bar, search update software. Now click on system updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix Bluetooth audio not working in Poco X8 Pro. I hope so you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.